Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can set a custom background, like for example an image, photo or color background for your screen recordings in the Loom screen recording application. So let us get started. So what you need to do, guys, is launch the Loom screen recording desktop app on your computer or on your laptop. And here in that screen recording panel, what you want to do is navigate to effects here. And either go through through that backgrounds library here and choose one of these, for instance, or one of that, or a solid color. But you can also upload your own one by clicking into this button here. So after that, you'll be redirected to that upload window you see usually in the top left corner, so that you may navigate to the given file in JPEG and PG file format on your computer. Or let me go with another example. If I click into Canvas here, you will see these templates. You can use these as well, or these preset backgrounds like gradient, for instance. So let me go with this one, and it would look like this with the screen recording in the background. Here you can set the background again and use a text or customize the text layout, switch to a different template. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.